Imagine you're running a lemonade stand. You buy lemons, sugar, cups, and then you sell lemonade. But here's the twist: you must manage your money smartly. This is where financial management comes in. It helps you decide how to use money, where to spend, how to save, and how to grow it. What is financial management? Financial management is simply the planning, organizing, and controlling of money in a business. According to Joseph L. Massey, financial management is the operational activity of a business that is responsible for obtaining and effectively utilizing the funds necessary for efficient operation. In simple words, it's how a business earns, spends, and grows money wisely. Why it matters. Without proper money management, even big businesses can crash. Think of it like managing your pocket money. Spend too much, no savings. Save everything, no fun. Spend smartly, balance. Businesses face the same challenge. They must balance between investing, saving, and spending. That's where financial managers come in. What do financial managers do? They make sure the company has enough money to pay bills, invests in the right areas, saves for the future, makes profits, doesn't waste money. They also create budgets, check reports, and help the business grow safely. Example: if a school wants to build a new computer lab, the financial manager checks. Do we have the money? Should we take a loan? Will it help students learn better? Warren Buffett once said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." A great financial manager follows this rule. Did you know? Most startups fail not because of bad products, but because they run out of money. That's why understanding financial management is so important. So whether you run a lemonade stand or a $1 million company, managing money is the key to success. Want to be a future business leader? Then you must learn financial management. Don't forget to subscribe.